everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie, and today we'll be talking about how to create your very own nature-inspired spa day at home. Not only will this activity connect us to the beauty of nature, but it's also an excellent way to rejuvenate the mind and body, helping you find tranquility without even stepping outside. Let's get started. Our first order of business is to create an atmosphere that breathes life into our specially curated spa day. This is step 1, setting the scene for relaxation. The key here is to mirror the calming serenity offered by nature. Choose a quiet, cozy room filled with natural light and minimal decorations. The best part is adding some greenery like potted plants such as aloe vera or lavender. These houseplants will offer you clean air and an earthy scent to boot. Amplifying the calm is also easy with soothing soundscapes you can play from a nature app or playlist. We're talking calming forest sounds, the chirping of birds, or even calming rainfall sounds. That's the setting taken care of. Next, we move on to step 2, which involves a relaxing herbal foot soak. A foot bath filled with herbs, Epsom salts, and essential oils is a wonderful way to truly start your peaceful day. Herbs like lavender or chamomile are perfect for this process. Once you've gathered all your ingredients, you'll steep them in boiling water, then add some cool water for comfort. Don't forget to drop in some Epsom salts for relaxed muscles and essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint for an added dose of aromatherapy. All you need to do after is sit back, soak those feet, and let serenity wash over you. In step 3, we indulge in a DIY face mask with fresh ingredients. Honey, avocado, and a few other additional elements depending on your skin type can make for a marvelous, nourishing face mask. Apply your creation and take a moment to close your eyes and bask in the natural scents around you. It's just as good as those professional facials, or so I like to believe. Now we're on to step 4, giving yourself a calming herbal bath. With a muslin bag or washcloth, put together an infusion of dried rose petals, chamomile, or lavender. You can even add fresh slices of cucumber. The next task is to drop this nature-filled pouch into your warm bath water along with drops of an essential oil like lavender and some scoops of Epsom salts. Once everything is set up, step into your bath, breathe in the enchanting scents, and allow the warm water to whisk away any tension. It's a sublime moment of utter relaxation. Sublime. At step 5, we wrap up our spa day by massaging and moisturizing with nature's oils. Choose from natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil. Then add a few drops of essential oils, maybe rose or sandalwood. The point is to give yourself a gentle massage, paying close attention to your hands and feet. This process helps to relieve built-up stress, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and your body unwound. A spa day wouldn't be complete without something to sip on, right? So as a bonus, brew a pot of soothing herbal tea such as chamomile, mint, or hibiscus. Alternatively, you could stir up some refreshing infused water with cucumber slices, lemon, and sprigs of mint. Either of these drinks are wonderfully calming and help maintain hydration throughout your spa day. To make the most of your spa day, here are a few tips. First, turn off your devices. This is your me time, a day to disconnect from the virtual world and recharge your batteries. Secondly, dive into comfy clothing. A soft robe or cozy loungewear are great choices. Lastly, don't rush. This is an experience to be savored and relished in every step. Remember, time doesn't have to be your enemy today. And with that, we conclude our journey together, where we explored a wonderful way to slow down, appreciate the power of natural ingredients, and reconnect with ourselves all within the comfort of our homes. So, go ahead, create your tranquil oasis whenever you need a deeply refreshing escape. That's all for this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm Carrie. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep finding ways to embrace nature in your everyday life.